Nichols Paint and Fab. And we're heading to the awards ceremony. We're going to actually drive through the building. Once we get turned around. Giving them away and driving them down here anymore, would they?
Yeah, right?
Yeah. Thank Nichols for that. begging for it. It's absolutely begging for it. I got all I need right now. We can get kicked out. 180. That's not hot enough yet. It's not getting hot. That's why I showed the cages to let people see how this thing's running.
It's actually, you can actually drive the damn thing.
Yeah, no kidding. We just idled through a building.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
I mean, what worse test is there than that?
On carburetor.
On carburetor. On a car that was just finished the day before it showed up here.
That has a cam in it.
Right.
Here we are. Oh my God, they keep the lights on for us. I feel special.
Right? Like we got the police leading us up there.
Right?
The devil on his shoulder.
Do it.
I said it's still his car. And what can they do?
Don't let us come back.
Oh, I think they'll forgive us by next year. Their memory's not what it used to be.
I see what you did there.
Yeah.
What Brian said. Brian touring the whole building.
Oh, touring the whole building, yeah, that's awesome.
Yeah, we went through the whole
looks at the car?
Well, I hope whoever wins it drives it like it's supposed to be. And if you want somebody to go with on your first burnout,
Right.
just holler.
Yes. And he's not joking. This car was built just like they would have built any other car, and that means it was built to do burnout.
That's right. Yeah, it'll do whatever you want. It'll cruise down the road. It'll burn the tires off. Just have fun with it.
Awesome. Nichols Paint and Fab. What a beautiful job. Let's get out and just see what it looks like sitting here now. No, very comfortable, man. No, there isn't a snag with this car.